In this video, we're going to show you a watch modification that can be done in under 10 minutes. Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. You might recall our previous video where we installed a pull bar on this G-Shock DW5600. Well, today we have another exciting package from Aliexpress to give this watch a fresh new look. So let's see what's inside. Here we got a bezel and band modification kit, which consists of a matching pair of straps and a bezel. I want a more fresh vibe, but still want to maintain the classic look, so I went with a transparent black option. In addition to the straps and bezel, the kit also includes some handy tools, a screwdriver, a spring bar remover, and it also includes the necessary parts. Those are the spring bars and 4 screws for the bezel. Now let's get to work. First up, I will remove the pull bar from our previous modification. It's a bit trickier to remove than installing them, so please be patient to avoid making any damage to the pull bar or the watch. Speaking of the included screwdriver, it looks more like an everyday carry tool, but doesn't look like the best one for this job. So I'm using my trusty small Phillips head screwdriver. Here I carefully remove the 4 screws around the bezel. By the way, if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. It will help us grow bigger and better. We cover reviews, tutorials, and modifications, especially for budget-friendly watches. Alright, back to the modification. With the bezel screws removed, it's time to take off the bezel itself, which surprisingly comes off easily. And here's a look at the watch case without the bezel. Next, I will remove the strap. Actually, you can remove the straps before the bezel, but I prefer taking off the bezel first, as it makes the strap removal process a bit easier. Now it's time to install the new modification kit. I will start with the watch band strap. They use 16mm spring bars and attach to the watch case. Pay attention to the positioning. The longer band without the buckle goes to the bottom lock. It takes a bit of patience to ensure the spring bar tips are fitted snugly inside the hole. Now let's do the same for the top side lock with the shorter strap, the one with the buckle. And then check if it's already secured in place. Moving on to the installation of the bezel. Align the 2 buttons with the matching holes on one side, and then continue with the other side. Then fasten the bezel to the case using bezel screws. In this video, I'm using the original bezel screws instead of the ones from the package to minimize impacting the screw thread on the case. And we're done. Check out the result. It's pretty cool, right? The watch has a fresh, awesome new look with a new bezel and strap. The details and connections look just as good as the original. Just one thing to note though, these new bands are a bit stiff, so they'll need some more break-in time. And here's a side-by-side comparison with the original parts. Finally, it's time to reattach the pull bar. Fit it into one side and then push it to click into place. Awesome, really awesome, just like how I want it. So that wraps up today's video, a strap and bezel modification for the DW5600 and also the pull bar if that counts. If you're interested, you can find links to the product in the video description below. And anyway, please don't hesitate to comment if you have any tips to improve this modification. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.